Okay, welcome back to my Let's Play of Khan Academy World of Math. We're up to 455 skills, 932 left. I did notice that the total number of skills has gone up by like 10 or so since I started. Yeah, by like 8 more skills. So they continue to add skills as time goes on. So I don't think they add them that fast, though, so I'm sure if I actually keep going, I'll be able to catch up. There's only so many things you can teach in math, huh? Well, that's probably not true. They probably teach a lot more advanced stuff, but anyway. Let's keep going. Find the interquartile range of the data. Okay, well, what the hell is interquartile range?
Let's get some practice calculating interquartile ranges. And I've taken some exercise and drag have another
blah,
one.
blah,
And
blah.
finally, 3 to the left here, and just look at these first 4 numbers. And so out of these first 4 numbers, since I have an even number of numbers, I'm going to calculate the median using the middle 2 numbers. So I'm going to look at the middle 2 numbers here, and I'm going to take their average. So the average of 4 and 6, halfway between 4 and 6 is 5. Or you can say 4 plus 6, then you can imagine 12 and 4, 2, that have the middle for this first, which is going. And so this is strange. The middle of the second half minus the middle of the.
Find the interquartile range. Huh.
13, halfway between 12 and 14. So there you have it. I have the middle of the first half, this 5. I have the middle of the second half, 13. To calculate the interquartile range, I just have to find the difference between these two things. So
Okay. So we have to write down these numbers on our trusty scratch pad. Don't need the calculator. Alright. So 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so 4. Let's see, 4 is here, another 4 is here, and 3 is here. So 4. So the middle one would be right here. This is the middle. Okay. And then the upper of these 5 is this one. And the middle of these 5 is this one. And the middle of this one is this one. So the interquartile range is 2. The lengths of the caterpillars are shown. How many caterpillar lengths are graphed? 4, 6, 7, 11. What? Oh, how many? Does it just mean how many lengths are graphed? Which is like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13. Did I just count it wrong? Okay, I just counted it wrong. That's no big deal. Alright, so we add these 2, so that's 10 divided by 2 is 5 multiplied by 2.5, or 25 divided by 2. So that's like 12 and a half. Midpoint is the midpoint. Okay, so CJ is here and T. Let's find CT. Okay, we gotta add all. This is pretty easy in theory. So 8x minus 5 equals 5x plus 4. Add 5 to both sides. That's 9. And then subtract 5x from both sides. That's 3x. x equals 3. And then if we want to find CT, so 3 in this one is 15 plus 4. Oops, plus 4. That's 19. And since that's half of it, 38. Which of the following expressions are undefined? These are all undefined. Given that these two are parallel, or perpendicular, C, B, D is this, A, B, C is this. Find C, B, D. Okay. So we have 4x plus 52 plus 8x minus 10 equals 90. So plus 42, 12x minus 42 from both sides equals 90 minus 42. 42 is 8, 1, 8, 4, 48. 12x equals 48, x equals 4, and so that's 16 plus 52. 16, that's 8, 6, 68. All right, making progress. Which of the following expressions are undefined? I like that one. How many caterpillars are shorter than 7? 6. X-intercept is 3, 0. Y-intercept is negative 10. Oops. 0, negative 10. Loves to travel, sends postcards all over the world. Special box. Has a base square and a pyramid for a lid. What is the combined volume? Let's see, that's 16 times 2. It's 32. Wait. Let's do this a bit better. 8 times 4. That is 16 plus 16. That's 232. Yeah, that's what I thought. 32. And then volume of a square, or a pyramid, sorry. To watch a video.
Let's do some solid geometry volume problem. Pyramid, triangle, 7, 8. So this times.
Yeah. I know that one.
This is literally mentioned length and the depth multiplier. So we'll do it.
Are you gonna give me the dumb answer?
Where it has a square base every to it. Height of the base is equal
Well,
to.
it doesn't exactly help me,
The height
huh?
of the triangle is equal to 3. So this right over here.
Okay, I looked it up online. It's a squared times height divided by 3. So we got 8 squared times 3 divided by 3. So it's a 64. So 64 plus 32 is 6, 9, right? 7, 8, 9. 96. How could it not be 96? Oops. Dumb. I forgot to multiply the extra 8 in there. Alright. So that's 256. 256. I should have realized that this was higher than the other one. So 256 plus 64 is 320. Find the interquartile range. So I got 7, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14. So that's 4. And that's 4. So right there is the middle. So the middle of these is there. And the middle of these is there. So that's 3. For today, shed 50 awards. 1 spelling award, 3 science awards, 4 58. 5, 8. Oh, this one. Right. Hello. This one. 58. In a survey based on a random sample of seniors, 83% of students say they will need loans for college. Sulfur K. 80 minus 8K equals 2K. Add 8K to both sides. You got 10K, so K equals 8. What's the domain of G? Can't it be anything? Okay, that's fine if it's 0. Okay, bake brownies. She's going to eat 20 square centimeters each day. How many days before they run out? So 29 plus 41 is 10 through 70. Divided by 2 is 35 times 2, so is that's 0, 0, 1, 700, and divided by 20. So we got 3 there and 60 there, so 10. So 35 days. Looks like that's a shit ton of days of brownies. Find the area of the shape. So it should be 2 plus 2 plus 6 is that length. And then down here is 2. So that's 8, 10. So that's 12 total divided by 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. Expand the expression using the binomial theorem. For your convenience, here's Pascal triangles. Triangle with the first few rows filled out. That's not convenient because I don't know any of this crap. Or at least I forget it anyway.
In the previous video, we were able to apply the binomial theorem in order to figure out what a plus b to the fourth power is in order to expand this out, and we did it, and it was a little... So we've got 3y squared plus 6x to the third, and we're raising this whole thing to the fifth power. And we could clearly use a binomial theorem or Pascal's triangle in order to find the expansion of that. But what I want to do really as an exercise is to try to hone in
Algebra
on
2.
just one of the terms, and in particular...
I'm going to go read about the stupid binomial theorem, watch his other video. I'll be right back. Okay, I watched the videos. Expand the expression, use the binomial theorem. Let's get back our writing tablet. Clear that. So we have, oops, 5x minus 2y to the third. All right, so Pascal's triangle is 1, 2, 1. That is 0, 1. So let's see. Let's just write it over here again. 1, 1. 1, 2, 1. This is to the 0th. This is the first. This is the second. 1, 3, 3, 1. This is to the third. So it's 5x to the third minus 2y to the 0 plus minus 2y plus, just write all the dudes down first. I'll fill out the exponents and the coefficients at the end. Minus 2y. And this is 2, this is 1, this is 0. This is 1, 2, 3. And the coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so this right here is goes away, and that goes away, and that drops, and that drops. So 5x to the third plus 3 5x squared times minus 2y plus 5 plus, oops, times 3, doesn't matter, times x minus 2y squared plus minus 2y to the third. X to the third. Three, 5 squared x, which is minus 2 times minus 2 x squared y. times 3 times 4, yeah. Minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. XY squared minus 2 plus minus 2 to the third, y to the third. A whole bunch of craziness. Flip over a calculator, as it says we can use our calculator. So 5 to the third, so 125. 3 times 25 times -2. Let's write some of this down. So 125x to the third minus 150 plus 5 times 4 times 3 60xy squared plus -2 to the third is -8. Okay. 125x 3 minus 150 x squared y plus 60 xy squared minus 8y 3. That took a long time to do. But at least I got it. Expanding binomials. Practiced. Nice. I didn't even master any skills doing all that crap. Solve for B. Let's see. 3 minus 2b plus 4 equals 2 minus 7b. Add 2b to both sides. Minus 5b. Subtract 2 from both sides. 3 plus 2, so that's 5. So divide by, so it's -1. Survey 1,500 students. Do you like broccoli? Which is a valid conclusion. Ask 100 students in line at the salad bar during lunchtime. Which of the following survey methods will allow them to make a valid? Assign a number to each student, use group or generated. Yeah, that one's better. So 11 sharks. Then he shot one more shark. Oh shit. I like how I'm counting sharks and I'm doing binomial expansion. So like the third power, which takes like freaking forever. It's funny. The sum of 5 consecutive integers is 120. What's the third number in the sequence? 5 consecutive integers. How do they sum of consecutive integers?
The sum of
Is there some
4
trick?
consecutive odd integers of consecutive little bit of terms of x. Again, so this is 4, which is 6, plus another 4, subtracting the 12. Well, then we got to...
Oh, I see. Yeah, so it's just like you make a formula. So the sum of x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 equals 120. So that's 5x plus, what's that, 3, 6 plus 10 equals 120. 5x, so minus 10 from both sides equals 110. So that's 2, 2. So x equals 2, 2. So that's the first number in the sequence. 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. Garden is a rectangle with width and length. The trench and garden together to make the rectangle. Okay, so we have a garden like this at 2 and 2.5, and then there's a trench around it, and now it's 3 and 3.5. Okay, so 2 times 2.5 is 5. 3 times 3.5 is 5, 1, 10.5. That's, no. 3 times 3. Oh yeah, that's right, 10.5. 10.5. So the area of just a trench is 5.5. Looks like. According to the study, the people are more likely to be thriving. Thriving socially. Okay, not thriving. Column total. No. Mastered 3 skills. And I think that's it for time. We're getting there. 8 new skills and I get the Da Vinci badge, which I think is about getting 500 skills total or something like this. Very good. We're up to 464. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.